Hello students, let's start the next part of question number 5, exercise 8.4, ninth part. Let's take the left hand side. Now here it's a cosecant minus cot, and cosecant you know very well. Cosecant means reciprocal of sine minus sine A. And what is secant? Secant is reciprocal of cos. Now we can take the LCM. Now what's the LCM? Sine A. Sine cancel. 1 is left. Multiply by numerator 1. Minus. Here nothing means denominator is 1. Sine divided by 1 is sine A. Sine multiply by sine, it's sine square A. In the same manner you have to take a LCM of the second bracket. And we got 1 minus cos multiply cos is cos square A. Now what is 1 minus sine square A? By identity sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So what is 1 minus sine square A? That is cos square A upon sine A. And in second bracket it's 1 minus cos square A, that is equal to sine square A. Now both brackets means multiply. So 1 sine A cancel with this sine A. 1 sine A is left. 1 cos A is cancelled. 1 cos A is left. So what is left? Cos A multiply sine A. And this is not our right hand side answer. So you can take right hand side or you can modify this for finding right hand side. I am taking the right hand side. In right hand side here it's 1 upon tan. Now what is tan? Tan means sine upon cos. And second is cot. Cot is cos upon sine. 1 upon, take LCM, cos sine. Cos cancel, sine A is left, multiply by sine A, it's a sine square A. Plus sine will be cancelled, cos multiply by cos, it's cos square A. Now what is sine square plus cos square A? That is 1. 1 upon cos A sine A. 1 divided by this fraction. It means 1 multiply by reciprocal of this. Whenever denominator is a fraction, we have to do the reciprocal. Now we got the same answer which we got as left hand side. Now left hand side answer and right hand side answer both matched. We can say hence verified. Let us start the last part of this exercise. Now here there are 3 equalities. So we have to prove the first answer should be equal to the last one. So when we take the first bracket, it's 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Now what is 1 plus tan square A? By identity 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. And 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Secant square A can be written as 1 upon cos square A divided by cosecant is written as 1 upon sine square A. Now the first numerator is as it is, multiply by the reciprocal. Now what is left? Sine square upon cos square, that is equal to sine upon cos means tan. Both are having square and we got tan square A. In the same manner, when we take the second bracket 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square. Now here it's a cot. Cot can be written as 1 upon tan. Now the numerator is as it is. But in denominator we have to take again LCM. Now it's tan A minus 1 in the square. 1 minus tan A multiply reciprocal of this. Now the first is 1 minus tan A multiply by tan A. We can't cancel tan A minus 1. We have to take negative common, then both the factors will remain same in the square. Now what is left? Minus tan A whole square. Negative square is positive. Then the answer is tan square A. Now we got the first bracket is equal to the third answer and the second bracket is equal to the same tan square A. Hence verified. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.